welcome to another exciting time on my Blooming TV. Today I'm going to be taking you on a journey for Bloom's Garden. So I'm going to be showing you some of the things I like to plant. Some are yearly, some are buy annually. So it's going to be a journey. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to show you what the garden looks like before I prep and do all those things. So keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button now. Thank you. I'm going to start by harvesting what is left of my Swiss chard and kale. So I'll just speed it up so you don't spend all day there. So you want to harvest it one leaf at a time, and I'm using a pizza scissors. Yeah. So we're gonna finish prepping tomorrow, and then we'll just top up the soil, and I'll show you some of the things I add to my soil. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. So we're going to be prepping the soil right now, or prepping the garden. So I'm going to be using two different types of soil mix. This is the potting mix. I use this for containers and for one of my small beds. And then this one is just a garden soil, and for that I'm going to be using blood meal as my fertilizer. And then when I'm planting, I'll use bone meal. So I will show you that when it's time to plant. Right now we're just going to top up the soil in the garden and in the pots. This year, I'm going to be planting some things I've done over the years, and I'm going to be trying a few new things. I have Swiss chard. I've done that over the years. Beets, cilantro, rosemary, spearmint, basil, parsley, cucumber. So this is my first time doing zucchini, and then my first time doing butterscotch, squash, sorry. And then I'm also trying out pak choy, cabbage choy, and a client of mine that I usually do her hair brought some seeds for me for squash as well. And then I have some rainbow carrots. This is the first year I'm doing rainbow. Usually I just do the regular carrots. And then I have different types of lettuce here. So I'm just going to share out the packs on the garden bed and the pots, and then I will hover over them so that you know what is going where, and then I'll start to sow the seeds. So I'm also going to do some potatoes. This is my very first time. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm going to sow this in a pot. So I'm going to be using 3 pots. I'm using the potting mix for this. So I have distributed all the seedling packs into the beds. So right now we're going to sow, and I'm just going to show you putting bone meal first before I put the seedlings. So we're done sowing all the seeds. So I'm going to be using Shake and Feed Miracle Grow as my fertilizer. I'm going to put that over all the beds, the pots, and then we'll finish off by watering the plants, and we'll say a word of prayer over them so that they grow and they are fruitful. And then follow me on this journey and we'll see how it goes. This will be a good time to subscribe if you haven't, and share this with your friend. And just to put a disclaimer, I'm not a professional gardener. I just do this as fun and hobby for me and my kids. So if you see me violating any garden rules, this is just blooming garden. Thanks. And we are all done for this very first episode of my lifestyle video. We are done planting in Bloom's garden. So we're just going to water it daily. I have said my prayer on it, and we'll just keep praying on it. And then when it starts to sprout, keep your fingers crossed. I'll take you on a journey, and then we'll grow this together. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed and wonderful day.